guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get your dragon boat to move. Is that what it's called? So I did purchase this, but you don't have to purchase it for the event. So let me get it out. Oops. Let's drive this one. Okay, so if I just press W on my keyboard, it's not going to move. What you have to do is press on the paddles and you have to press it continuously for it to move. It's easier if you have a friend drumming for you, especially in the event to give you energy, but I think you can move it on your own by just eating. But again, you do have to use the paddle to move. So if I press it, as you can see, it moves once, but so I have to move it continuously to go left and right. It is pretty annoying to use, honestly, because I think it's just easier if you're on a mobile device or something like that. But it is doable. So here I'm just pressing the buttons. So if you want to move right, you need to press the left row, I guess, and then vice versa. So yeah, that's how you can move your dragon boat in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm lagging. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!